Jopuonjre ma yawuoyi manoyudo barupe mane luongogi e skund nyiri ma Cardinal Otunga e gwenge ma Kisii gikone to chunygi oyueyo bang' kane oduogo rwagi e sikund yawuoyi ma Kisii. Jopuonjrego manobedo kod achiedh nade onyiso mor margi bang' rwakogi e skund yawuoyino kendo koro singo mar tiyo matek kendo neno ni gichopo lek margi. Jonyuol jopuonjrego bende onyiso mor margi ka gikoni ne gibedo kod chuny madagni e kinde mokalo ka gijiwo sirikal mondo neno rango ng'ikruoge manyalo kelo somo kata achiedh nade ne somo.
We had two cases who were placed at Cardinal Otunga Girls in Bungoma County, but we worked closely with the ministry headquarters, and already they were placed here, and they have already one of the two has reported, and that is a plus because the pressure the parent had concerning the issue had already been sorted.
The new system of placement. So far, it is flowing so well. Only a few cases where we did a request yesterday for some students who had reported with our letter, yes, but they were not among those, the 500, those who were given chances in this school. So we did a request through the system. Unfortunately, today morning when we were checking, some of them had been declined, and we don't know the way forward. So we are requesting that those who are in charge of the system, they do a favor so that we give parents a fair environment to take their sons to the schools that they require.
E kinde ni ma jopuonjre